Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. I am also great. Everything is well here. So guys, I want to say you, do you feel shy while speaking English? If you facing at that type problem, I want to give one suggestion for you. If you feel shy while speaking English, so guys, their lack of practice. You must practice. If you practice every day, don't feel shy. Okay. But if you don't practice, you have to face shy, you have to face stuck, you have to face hesitation, lot of problem you have to face. But if you talk every day, if you record video every day, automatically your hesitation, your feel bad every day, day by day will go. But if you don't speak, so how can clear your hesitation, feeling shy? So if you want to talk fluency without hesitation, without bad feel, so you have to practice. You have to practice minimum 1 hour every day. Then your hesitation 100% will go. But without practice, how can remove your hesitation? Practice is most important. First time you have to face fear, hesitation, sigh, but everyone face at that time, initially time, everyone facing at that time problem. So guys, no need to sigh. It's happened first time. But if you try every day for conversation, if you try every day to talk, 100% one day you will be able to talk fluency. You will be able to talk front of camera. But you have to talk every day. You have to practice every day. You have to speak in English every day. Then your practice automatically will be good. Your English automatically will be good. Your knowledge will be open automatically. But you are facing shy, you if you are feeling shy, if you left for conversation, you can't speak entire life. First time it's happened. Second time little bit will remove your hesitation. And if you talk every day, day by day, your hesitation automatically overcome. So guys, I want to give uh, suggestion. You must read book. If if you read book, will expand your knowledge. So reading book is much important, and practice front of mirror, front of camera is much important. So guys, I as you know, I have an education, but English is just a language. No need to big degree here. No need to big education. If you are 5 class, 7 class, 6 class, you are able to conversation in English. You are able to talk in English. You can face English anytime, but listen my point, a small thing. Listen my point. It is a very small thing. You have to practice every day, each every day, while waking, while walking, while sleeping, while eating. Anytime you must use English language. I want to go bath. I I'm going to eat. I'm going to. We have to wake up early morning tomorrow. Uh, we have to say truth everywhere. I like papaya. I like apple. I like that work. So like that, lot of tension. Anytime you have to talk in English. Okay. Then day by day, your knowledge will increase. You will be able to talk. But without practice, without effort, it is not possible. If you want to success, if you want to achieve any goal, without practice, without hard work, it is not possible. You can meet everything. You are able to everything. You know, human has a big power, but you have to recognize first of all, every human has big power. Every human has a big knowledge. Every human has different ability. But people don't recognize self. First of all, you have to recognize self. What kind of ability do you have? What kind of ability you have? First of all, you have to recognize self. Labor does hard work. Only does hard work. Labor does not recognize self. I can do anything, but you have to take knowledge. If you work hard, you will hard work entire life. Okay. So first of all, you must recognize self. If you recognize self, you can achieve goal. You can become rich man. You can hire worker. You can hire employer. Everyone, every people has big knowledge. I said yesterday, knowledge can't change your life alone. With knowledge, if you use only knowledge, it is not. You have to hard work together. You have to do hard work together. You have to use knowledge. You have to use ability. You have to use hard work together. Then you will be success one day. Okay. When I started business, at that time I had nothing. When I left education, at that time my age was 13. I did start work when my age was 30. But now I have a big struggle experience. I have a big struggle story. But now I hire lot of employer. I have good soap. I have good condition because I did recognize self. I did hard work according to time. According to time. I did action according to time. I took action. You can say. Suppose that I had a bad situation. At that time, I did everything. I sold goods on the road on with seller. I did many type hard work. Depend on my time, but I know woman has a big ability. One day, 100% your will be change your life. But if you depend only hard work and if you depend only your knowledge, if you depend only your education don't change your life. You have to hard work according to time. Then your life will be better. So guys, if you want to learn speak English, you can watch my video. If you get my video fruitful, you can subscribe, share, you can compliment, depend on yourself. I will say again, I would say again, it is your small step would be amazing for me. Thank you so much. I will come tomorrow with new topic. Thank you so much.